Veggie stock. We don't often say, peel your potatoes or peel your greens because there's a lot of fibre and vitamins which are associated with the peel. But sometimes you do need to do it, especially if you're on a bland diet. But there's one great thing about peel. It's not something you should throw away. Now on the website we have a fantastic veggie peel stock. Okay, so I've got some peel here from the potato. Now instead of throwing it into the garbage, I'm going to put it into this handy plastic bag. Same thing with onion, because although you can't eat them, they are still full of flavour. And when you're peeling your carrot, those peels also go in there, as do the tops and the tails. Now, that's not very much to do anything with, but what I do is I keep this in the freezer, and every time I peel something I add to the bag, fold it and put it back into the freezer. And when I've got a bag full, I put it into a big pot and I make veggie stock, and it costs me absolutely nothing. How easy was that?